This is the Air Plasma handpiece from PlasmaHealX4, an advanced tool designed for disinfection and to complement other plasma treatments for better results. Unlike other handpieces, the Air Plasma attachment is simple and effective, with 4 buttons to control intensity and gas flow, plus a launching button for the gas to release, ensuring smooth operation. It works seamlessly with other PlasmaHealX4 technologies for comprehensive care. The Air Plasma uses the purified ambient air. You can hear the sound of the compressor. This device has internal compressor, and here you can smell ozone gas, which is known as a strong disinfection gas, and has same functions as helium cold plasma for healing tissues, but not as effective as cold plasma, as it has active ions of helium that's much stronger. But when we use both of them as hydrotherapy, we can save cost and be efficient at the same time. For the people who suffer from infection on the skin, like fungal infections, we can enclose that area using something like a plastic bag and connect it directly for 15 to 30 minutes for that area to be all surrounded by ozone. Doctors use air plasma for some serious issues besides cold plasma because it can work for a long time without any consumables, which is more cost-friendly and it has proven effects. At a cellular level, air plasma actively eliminates harmful bacteria, stimulates oxygen flow for faster tissue repair, and reduces inflammation, accelerating the body's natural healing process. With PlasmaHealX4, every treatment is designed for precision, safety, and faster recovery. Air plasma is an essential part of that process, ensuring a clean start and better healing outcomes.